everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah, and if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I make videos all about planning our Disney Fairytale wedding and I guess wedding planning in general. So if that is something you are interested in, I would love for you to stick around. In the next year or so, I'm hoping that this whole Corona thing is over and we are able to travel again, and I would love to make some travel vlogs and other kinds of videos for you guys as well. So again, I would love if you would please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more wedding planning videos, and let's get on into it. But before I actually jump into anything today, I just want to apologize for my setup that I've had in the last 5 videos or so, and this just ugly white background with my beautiful plant. She's not ugly, but I'm just waiting for IKEA to get their stuff together. I am in the process of redoing my office, and hopefully in the next week or two, I will have a normal pretty setup that isn't so boring in the background. But thank you guys for bearing with me, and let's get on into today's video. Today I want to talk about wedding invitations, and that is something that I put so much thought into, even though I know besides like my mom and my fiance's parents, everybody's going to throw it away more than likely. And you don't really realize how expensive invitations can be until you're actually in the process of looking. So I wanted to go over what we did for our invitations. I have some samples here to show you, and let's just get started. So I'm going to start out with my bridal shower, and unfortunately they did get canceled this year since we moved our wedding to next year. And speaking of showers, I just got my hair done. So it is a little bit longer and lighter than you've seen in the last few videos, and I'm so happy with it. And this was the wedding, or the hair I was supposed to have for our wedding. Not the style, but the length and the color. And I decided to still go through with it anyway, since I already bought the hair and I spent so much money and time getting it to where I wanted it. I figured, why not? So now I can test this out for the next year and see if this is the color I really like on me. But that's besides the point. I'm sorry for going off on a tangent. So first, I'm going to show you the invitations that I had for our joint shower in Florida. I'm also having a bridal shower in New York. I don't have that invitation with me right now. It has a lot of personal information on that one, so I didn't want to show it on camera. But these invitations we ordered on Etsy, and we just ordered, it was like a digital PDF, and we just printed it out at Staples. And I think for 50 invitations, it was like $25. So if you're looking for like a really affordable way to make invitations, these are stunning and definitely the most cost-effective way. So I don't think there's anything, I'll just have to cover up the bottom. But this is what the invitations, I don't know how to do this. This is what the invitations look like. It's very pretty, just watercolor, and then they are double-sided. So on the back, it has our initials and then the date of the shower, or the date of our wedding. No, the date of the shower. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, I love these. And again, it was like $25, and they come with free envelopes as well. So if that's something that you are interested in, I think the PDF was like $6 to $8, and I'll definitely link that down below. And it came in a few different colors as well. So really good option if this is for either a shower or a less expensive wedding invitation as well. Okay, so next I'm going to talk about our save the dates, and this one I found an envelope. We went with blush pink because our wedding colors are like a dusty rose. Originally I thought it was going to be this color, but it looks too much like white when it's next to my dress in the dress form. So this is a very simple save the date, and probably wouldn't have went with this one after we bought our invitations. I would have went with something that matches a little bit better, but I just wanted something simple, and these actually look really nice on your refrigerator. Let me see. Okay. So these are, I believe it's vellum, and then it just has gold foil, which it kind of looks rose gold on camera, but it is gold. And they just say, save the date for the wedding of Mariah and Jonathan, Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. Not happening that day, so I can share this. And then formal invitation to follow. We just wanted something like pretty simple, pretty font, and I will link these down below as well. They're so beautiful, they just don't really match our invitations. That's why I would have went with something else, but they don't really need to match, and I promise everybody probably already threw these away, so what's the point? But they are, we sent these out like a year in advance because we're having our wedding in Florida. We both live in Florida, but 99% of our friends and family do not. So we thought a save the date was definitely important for us, especially with people traveling from like California and New York and whatnot, and people coming from China and Spain. So we figured, why not send those out nice and early? Again, didn't matter because we're not having our wedding until next year. But yeah, so that's it for our save the date. Again, I will link everything down below. And last but not least, I will show you our invitation. Okay, so I'm realizing this video is gonna be like 2 minutes long. So thanks for watching if you're still here, and I'm sorry it's a little bit boring, but I have to cover up this because they printed our address and stuff. This is our sample with our information on it, but I also spilled coffee, I think, on the front of it the day that we got it, so it just says Mr. and Mrs. Britt. This would say, obviously, whoever it's going to, and then our addresses are printed on there, and then our return address is printed on the back. Again, I'm going to cover that up, and then there's a little sticker that has our initials and our wedding date closing the envelope, and for this we did go with this gray color because we thought it was a little bit classier and matches the invitation so well. So once you open up the invitation, it's in this little vellum, I don't really know what to call this, a vellum pocket, I guess, with a wax seal of like a little leaf. And I thought these were so stunning. I wanted a wax seal on our invitations like more than anything. I don't really know why, but I feel like it really just pulls it all together. So then you open up the wax seal, and there's a belly band with our names and our wedding date on it. And then inside of that is the RSVP card, the details card, and the invitation. So first I will show you our RSVP cards. They also came with a printed envelope with their name and our return address, like that, Mariah and Jonathan. And then our actual RSVP cards. I think these are so pretty. And they have a line at the bottom that say "Song for the Dance Floor." And everybody that RSVP'd so far had some great requests, most of them being Jonas Brothers, because I'm a very big Jonas Brothers fan. So shout out to my friends and family for knowing. So next, this is our details card, and this just has all the information for the accommodations and our wedding registry. We are registered through Disney Honeymoon Registry, and I'm going to make an entire video on that. We are going to Aulani, and let me see, this also just has our Disney room block, which I also will make a video about because it's amazing. It's such a good deal and very, very easy to set up and super easy for your guests to book. When our wedding got moved, they automatically canceled all the reservations for our guests, let them know, and then immediately refunded them. We didn't have to do anything, and they didn't have to call to cancel anything like they would with a normal stay. So A+ to that, and it's so easy. You have your own like room block specialist for all of that, so you literally don't have to do anything. And then let me just make sure there's no information on here. Yeah, so this is the actual invitation. It just has normal invitation things, where it's going to be October 2020. Nope. But yeah, I love these. I think these are so pretty. I will, of course, link the invitations down below. They are a pretty reasonable price for all of that that's included. And the man that made our invitations was like the sweetest man ever. I think he lives in the UK, and he was like so amazing and so nice. And it comes with, like, he has a bunch of Etsy listings for samples of your invitations. So you can choose whichever fonts you like and whichever colors, and he will make up a mock-up for you, send it, and then you order through his actual website. But he has all of these color options for envelopes. So he has candy pink, black, white. This is mist. It's like a kind of grayish white. Stone, which is tan, just the normal eco craft. Cool blue, green, forest green, burgundy, and navy. And then of course the dark gray that we chose. And they send you all of these along with all of the samples for the wax seals. And then you just kind of pick and choose and build your listing through his website. And it's so easy. You just a bunch of drop-down boxes, and there's a ton of different options for fonts and everything. So I highly recommend using him. Not sponsored. He's not paying me to say this, but I 100% recommend looking at them at least, because they are stunning and amazing quality. And we live in Florida. He lives in the UK. I think we got them in like under 2 weeks since we ordered them. So he got our order, printed them, did all of this, and then sent them, and we got them really, really fast. So I would highly recommend checking him out. Well, I'm very sorry that this video is kind of boring and a little bit short, but thank you guys so much for watching. I do believe next week I will have a video all on Disney Honeymoon Registry, what we registered for, and kind of just going through the website. And I would love for you guys, again, to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you want more wedding planning videos. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.